So we're up in the carriage house attic again. I planned on having this done before now, but then we had a huge snowstorm and it really put me off it. And once I got off the task, I switched to other projects and just didn't get back to it. Then winter. So it's spring, and before it gets too hot, I thought I would get up here and see what I can get done here. So you can see we removed the insulation here. I think we even started to sweep. Looks like I have my broom up here. I brought another one up because I wasn't sure if I did. You can see this area here I'd cleaned up, so I don't know if you can see that. This area over here, I'll try to walk around and not hit anything. A lot of boards and stuff in here. So I'm thinking we're going to start taking some of them down, and they're going to become kindling wood or firewood, period. And we have this area to do here. We have a bunch of insulation. Now over here we removed all this, a bunch of it this morning. Just took a load to the dump, filled the back of the truck with 5-gallon pails and one garbage can. That filled it. So you can see all the pigeon crap we have over here to pick up. So I'm going to get my mask back on and start sweeping. You can see we have these old boards. They're all going to be going eventually. You can see what they did. They put these uprights, attached them to the ceiling rafters to the floor, because this is a big span underneath here. So I'm going to, these will not stay. They're just cob jobbed in. We're going to do something much nicer when we get up into here. We'll have to put a board across and then attach down or something. Or maybe we'll hit the ones where they're right on, like this one here. If we went into that and right down, it'd be straight. Many of them are off, but some are right on target the way it looks. So that's where we're at. It's a really dirty job, bunch of pigeon crap up here, but it'll look amazing compared to this once we're done. I mean, it'll be just, got a lot of sweeping. I have to sweep the rafters, but once I got my mask on, I can do that and not worry about it. And I'm not even sure what all's in here. It looks like wood, and mainly wood and insulation and pigeon crap. Okay, let's get back at it. Got a different phone, so hopefully you're getting a better view of it. I was able to take some pretty good pictures, but with videos you need even more lighting. Okay, let's get to work.